going to go ahead and glue in this banding. Hot hide glue pot is over here to the right, and I think it's about the right consistency, and I'm just going to fill that channel with plenty of glue, and try to get these positioned in here. I usually have a wet towel or rag, and I forgot to do that, so that's gonna make it a little awkward not to have a way of getting the glue off my fingers. And the last piece, is it gonna get in there? This is always can be an issue here, getting that last piece to go. And I think that's good. Just gonna roll that in. And just to make sure that all the little crevices and cracks and gaps are all filled. That's why this hot hide glue is very effective in filling. So that can sit overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'll shave that down flush